You guys, I just got from the shower and so my hair's a wet mess, but today I'm going to try to sound like Verity, you know, the little yellow guy with secret to hell, who obviously just wants to be your friend. But that means if you're his friend, you're his only friend. So I'm going to try to get on his good side by acting like him. So, sounding like him. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper friend. Ask me anything. I know everything. How did I sound? You know, I think I kind of sound like, Verity, but a girl. Subscribe!